if if the roots of the quadratic equations x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0 are alpha beta, then find quadratic equation whose roots are alpha raised to power 4 and beta raised to power 4. So here the answer is, this is the equation x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we need to find the alpha raised to power 4 and beta raised to power 4 quadratic equation. So for that, see, alpha plus beta, this is minus b by a. This is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. That is, this is a, this is b. The coefficient of x square is 1. Here the coefficient of x is 1, and here c is also 1. So a, b, c. A is 1, b is minus 1, c is 1. So minus b by a, that is minus, and then minus 1 by 1 equal to 1. This minus is here, and this minus 1, so minus 1, and coefficient of x square is 1, so minus of minus is 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Alpha beta equal to c by a. These are the formulas if you need to find the sum of the alpha plus beta minus b by a, and alpha product of the roots alpha beta equal to c by a equal to 1 by 1, that is 1. C is 1 and a is also 1. So here this is the standardized form, like x square minus bracket alpha square plus beta square x plus alpha square beta square equal to 0. So this we need to find out. So alpha square plus beta square we can find out from here. If we will square the left hand side and right hand side, we will get alpha square plus beta square, and alpha square beta square from here we will get, if we will square left hand side of this equation and right hand side, squaring right hand side also. Here alpha plus beta square, if we will square this equation alpha plus beta equal to 1, this alpha plus beta square equal to 1 square, then alpha square plus beta square a plus b ka whole square formula we can use here. Then alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equal to 1. Then alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equal to 1. Then alpha square plus beta square plus, since 2 alpha beta is 1, so we will put the value of alpha beta equal to 1. Then alpha square plus beta square equal to 1 minus 2. Alpha square plus beta square equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Fine. Now from this equation alpha beta equal to c by a, alpha beta equal to 1, if we will square left and right hand side of this equation, we will get alpha square beta square equal to 1. Then everything like alpha square plus beta square equal to minus 1 and alpha square plus beta square equal to 1 we can put here. Since alpha square plus beta square equal to minus 1 we can put here, and alpha square beta square equal to 1 we will put here. Then we will get the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha 4 and beta 4. So here x square minus, then alpha square plus beta square is minus 1, this is minus 1, then x, then alpha square beta square is 1, then plus 1 we will put here. Then x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So, and this is the quadratic equation we found out of whose roots are alpha raised to power 4 and beta raised to power 4. Thank you.